Namaskar, Sastriyakal guys. So I am sorry for that. I took more than 2 days to make this video. I am going to make this video because I have been reading novel books. So sorry for that. And let's come to the topic. Let's get started. Type number 4, integral type of the type. Okay. So this kind of integral you will get in the form of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx, and you will also get integral 1 upon root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Okay, so guys, it's a very simple quadratic equation and certain step to evaluate this integral. Okay, so step number 1, make the coefficient of x square unity if it is not. Okay, so I will explain in the coming example, so don't be get afraid. So I have taken the sub example on the basis of general form. I1 equal to 1 upon a integral 1 upon x square plus b by a x plus c by d. So this kind of, we have to make this coefficient as a unity. So are you getting, guys? So stay tuned with me. Or I2, if you have a 1 upon root, okay, so 1 by root a will be outside and integral 1 upon x square plus b by a x plus c by d into dx. Okay guys, so let's come to the step number 2. Add and subtract the term which is b by 2a square का whole square. Okay, so I think you might have learned in earlier days, means you might have learned in 9th or 10th to make the perfect square, isn't it? So these are the some I have taken the evaluation, so you can see here. And similarly for I2, only difference is you will get 1 by root a integral 1 upon whatever the term, it will be in a root. Okay guys, and let's come to the step number 3. Use the suitable formula to evaluate the integral. So I will take an example. On the basis of example, I am going to explain you the how to apply this 3 step on these few examples. So I am going to give some formulas, so you need to remember these formulas, and it will be help you a lot to solve any kind of tedious numericals. So yes, I am going to take one example, and I am going to apply these 3 steps, so you will be able to understood how it's going to be happen. So let's take example. So you can see here it's a perfect square and we need to make a perfect square. Okay, and you can see here it's a unity here, so no need to take a common outside. So I am directly going to evaluate. So you can see x square plus 4x. So how can we write like this? So we need to, what is the coefficient with x? 4. So 1 by 2 into means like this. If you have to find the perfect square, you have to write like this: 1 by 2 into coefficient of 4. So this you will get 2, then you will get 4. So both sides you have to add and subtract. So you will get integral x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 8 minus 4. Are you getting how I have done this? So you can see here I have marked down. I am underlining the term which I have added. 4 plus 8 minus 4 means 4 add as well as subtracted in this term, and I will going to get x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 4, and you can see here x plus 2 the whole square plus 2 का whole square. So these you can see here it's a perfect formula basis. So I have written here formula. So you need to remember these formulas. Formula 1 upon, these are the general formulas. So integral 1 upon x square plus a square into dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So I am going to apply here formula directly. So you will get what is here a 1 by 2. So I am going to write down 1 by 2 tan inverse, and what is a x? So here x is a x plus 2. So I will be going to replace x by x plus 2 upon, and what is a 2. So these are the formula, and this is our solution which I have got from here. And one more example, and then I will going to stop this video. And so one more example with coefficient. This is something here you can see coefficient is not a unity, so I am going to make this unity. So let first of all I am going to make I am going to take 2 as a outside from this equation. So you will get 1 by 2 x square, and I have taken the 2 outside now, so you will get 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, if you don't get it, please comment on comment section box, so I will let you know where you are not getting. So again same procedure I am going to proceed which we have did earlier. So again, what is the here coefficient? So we need to again half into half multiply whole square, and we are going to add up. So what you will get 1 by 16. Am I right? So we need to add up to rearrange the term and make them perfect square. So we will get x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16. So I hope you are understanding what is going on. So again you need to know how to make perfect square. So what is a perfect square of this? 1 by 4. So if you rearrange the term, you will get this one. So I am going to write down formulas. So one step is more. So I am going to write down x plus 1 by 4 the whole square, and I am going to write down in bracket these are the whole square. So formula number some formula you need to remember. I am going to list out the formula in next videos, so you can note it down. So these are the formula. If you have x square minus a square into dx, so you will get 1 by 2 a log of x minus a upon x plus a, okay, and plus c. Don't forget c, write down c. So directly I am going to substitute in this formula. So you can see here same terminology. In the place of x you have x plus 1 by 4, and place of a you have root 5 upon 4. So directly you will get 1 by 2 into what is a root 5 upon 4 into log. So what is x? In place of x you will get 1 by 4 and what is a root 5 upon 4. So you will get x plus 4 minus plus you will get plus c. So don't forget to write down plus c, so otherwise you will lose marks. You will get 4 will be cancelled, so you will get 1 by root 5 log of, and if you take is if you multiply, cross multiply, you will get 1 minus root 5, and 4 will be cancelled because in denominator and other denominator will be cancelled, so you will get 4x plus root 5, and this is our solution. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and you will be learning in upcoming video more. So thanks guys for your patience. Thanks for watching.